Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make this garage wob bass. I used this sound in my recent My New Lang tutorial, but wanted to do a dedicated video for it because I think it's a cool sound. The sound is ideal for UK garage and grime. Obviously, the beat I've got here is totally different to a bass house or bass line track by an artist like My New Lang. So this helps demonstrate how versatile this bass patch can be. Before I start, please do like and subscribe, and all the drum samples used in this video come from my Drum Machines Volume 1 sample pack, which will be made available in the description. As always, the specific patch will be made available below the video for free as well. So I've initialized Serum and I have dragged the MIDI over. So we're just going to turn this down, rename it. And as with a lot of these sounds, we are starting off with square waves. We'll also solo the channel so we can listen to it whilst we make the sound. Take it down by 2 octaves. And detune it. Using the unison detune. We want to put it on monophonic modes. We're just going to increase the amp envelope's attack a little bit. And we're going to initialize a low pass filter. We are going to bring the cutoff up and also increase the resonance a lot to about 50%. We're now going to modulate this filter using an LFO. So I'm going to make this sort of sawtooth ramp up shape. We're going to put the LFO on envelope mode, so it only triggers once per MIDI note. And we're going to modulate the cutoff. It's important here not to take the filter cutoff too far down, as the filter's resonance can overemphasize the sub-frequencies. I'm going to spend a bit of time tuning this. We can now start processing the sound, so we can group it to itself. We can duplicate it within the group, rename this sub, and rename this top. And we can start to split the frequencies using EQ3, usually at 100, 700. So we can drag this to the sub layer, and we can drag it to the top layer as well. On the top layer, you want to group it to itself and then duplicate it again. So this is mids, and this is top. And then you want to turn off the EQ bands on their respective channels. As usual, we are going to replace the sub layer with a sine wave. And we're going to heavily compress this sine sub layer. Just for as consistent a sub bass as possible. We're now going to process the top layers. I usually overdrive the low mids, so it's like kind of about here. But for this patch, the stock overdrive preset seemed to work well. I think it's because the resonance drags back and it emphasizes the low mids a bit too much and it ends up sounding a bit muddy. Do the same on the highs as well. This one we probably want very mild. And we'll just mono the middle band so the patch is more mono compatible in a club context. Let's listen to it in the mix. And then we can just mix in some reverb to taste. And yeah, that's it guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you all next time.